Hey, what's up? So the Windows 11 is getting a new installation UI. After a long time, actually, this is a big change in Windows. I started using Windows from Windows 7 and Windows setup page remains the same in all Windows versions like Windows 8, 10, 11. Maybe there are some colors changed here and there, purple, blue, something, but the actual Windows setup was like the same. But that is about to change in Windows 11. Right now, this new installation UI is only available in Windows 11 Insider Preview Canary channel. Starting from the build 26040, and if you want to try this, actually the ISO is already available. So this is also my first time trying this out, the new installation UI. So let's try this out, and I also want to test some other things. Now this is how the Windows 11 setup page will look. It looks completely different. It has the Windows 7 feel. Actually, you can see the theme or the icons are actually from the Windows 7 or Vista. But one more thing, if you use Windows Media Creation Tool or Update Assistant tool, you'll see those tools have the same design. So this new UI actually looks like those apps. In my opinion, this still looks clean. It doesn't match with the Windows 11's actual UI, but much better than the old UI. And I want to test out whether we can debloat Windows 11 in this new UI. All right, you can select the English world here in time and currency format. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to hit next. Yeah, clean. Okay, even this section is clean. Actually, repair my PC, launch the legacy experience. I think this is gonna open the legacy Windows 11, the old Windows setup. So I'm gonna go with the first option, install Windows 11, and I agree to everything. All right, gonna hit next. Don't have product key, and we have the button for that, so we're gonna click on that. Clean. Actually, this feels like I'm not using this for the first time. As I said, if you have ever used a Windows Media Creation Tool or Update Assistant tool, then it looks the same, all right, like those apps. So let's go with the Pro. Yeah, it is like, wow, a whole lot cleaner. And look at that, even this section where we select the disk and everything is clean. Maybe the options are still the same, but you can see it looks clean, right? This could be the beginning of Windows 12's development. Maybe Microsoft is doing something. Maybe they are cooking the Windows 12 and maybe they are testing out some new things in the Windows 11. So let's click on install. Now you can see the installation page is also same as the Update Assistant tool or Media Creation tool. If you have ever, again, I'm saying this again and again, but if you have ever used a Media Creation tool to install or update the Windows 11, then that thing looks the same. I know this thing doesn't match with the Windows 11's design, but maybe because Microsoft is working on Windows 12 and they'll bring all the new changes, new design, in Windows 12. Again, who knows? But as we all know, there are rumors about the Windows 12, so it is possible. So they are just giving us a glimpse of Windows 12's new changes. Maybe Windows 12 will have whole new Windows setup page plus completely new operating system from top to bottom, maybe consistent operating system. That's what Windows is missing, actually. Windows is the most inconsistent operating system. The dark theme doesn't work properly on all apps and all system components. We have control panel, and then we have the settings and everything. Yeah, maybe with Windows 12, Microsoft will actually fix the Windows. I think rest of the setup pages remains the same, or maybe we'll have the additional options. We're just gonna wait for it to get installed, actually. And we have to actually check on whether we can debloat Windows 11 in new installation UI or not. Yeah, I think rest of the other settings will remain the same, and now we should get a error because we changed the time and currency format to English world. And when we do that, we get a error, which is actually not a error. This is like Windows doesn't know what to do because we haven't selected any country. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It will say something went wrong because we selected the English world in time and currency. So now we just have to click on skip, and we can also create a local account. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, the rest of the settings are actually same. All right, and we are almost there. Yeah. And guess what? Yes, you can still debloat Windows 11 using that method. You simply change the time and currency format to English world, and you'll have less bloats. Maybe Microsoft will make this impossible when the Windows 12 comes out. Yeah, that's it. I really hope Microsoft will make Windows 12 actually better Windows operating system, more consistent with the themes, and what I'm trying to say here. Windows is actually the worst operating system in terms of like consistency and everything. Okay, if it wasn't for the app support and game support, nobody would use Windows, to be honest. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I think I'm just talking too much at this point. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this new installation UI, and what do you think about the Windows 12? Is it coming or is it not? Yeah, whatever you have, just do the comment, and maybe we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.